Science is the only way to awaken the minds, ensure progress, and meet the challenges in order for us to reach development. The words of His Highness Sheikh Zayed initiated confident beginnings and ambition. The U.A.E. educational reform has developed further under the wise leadership of His Highness Sheikh Khalifa bin Zayed Al Nahyan, President of the U.A.E., in conjunction with the sustainable economy, which has resulted in an educational system that aims to mark the U.A.E. at the forefront of the international competitive educational system. The relentless ambition of the U.A.E. leaders has resulted in the U.A.E. Vision 2021 and the Centennial Plan 2071, which has driven the Ministry of Education to work strategically to achieve the desired goals in line with the state's agenda and objectives. With the support of the U.A.E. government, the Ministry of Education has been able to develop new educational tracks using innovative curriculum. As part of the National Development Strategy for the United Arab Emirates, there's a strong focus on establishing a world-class education system which equips the young generation with the necessary cognitive and social skills to prosper and achieve their goals. Today, the U.A.E. is witnessing the development of local universities in terms of outputs. Different local educational institutions are leading and forging ahead with great and remarkable achievements, both regionally and globally. The work of providing all the rationales and resources that will promote the U.A.E. educational system shall never stop. All students are entitled to become responsible citizens who love their country and are forever loyal to its leadership, sparing no effort to provide the homeland with all the elements of development and the welfare of its people. The very first stages revolved around the enhancement of education and its establishments by constructing modern schools and universities and providing efficient teaching staff, which not only equips Emirati students for a modern global economy, but also maintains authentic Emirati values, identity, and citizenship. The interest in public education also expands to an increased interest in higher education. The continuous support and initiatives of his wise leadership has allowed the Ministry of Education, along with other educational institutions, to focus on the constant development of education. The Ministry of Education has embarked on the journey of developing the pillars through which it ensures a qualitative educational system, allowing the U.A.E. schools and universities to compete and achieve very high-quality educational outputs. The new developments in curriculum have also been supported by the introduction of a specialized data center, allowing the ministry to monitor and improve students' progress. The prosperous strategic vision of the late His Highness Zayed bin Sultan Al Nahyan, the founding father of the nation, has accelerated the systems of improvement at a rapid pace and has developed the educational process to achieve high standards and new dimensions, which is unstoppable in the U.A.E. today. Being the education pioneer is a crucial aim of the U.A.E., its leaders, and people. All these virtues combined would guarantee a prosperous future for the country and its future generations, through the avenue of education and knowledge.